Mickey Mouse, I make a stamp. This is a form, you know, I make it not for a long time ago. It's for fun for my kids when they were little kids. So this one and this one you can see really big, alright. I make a cement, so I push cover up with plastic because I don't want to clean on the bottom. Used to be I put oil on it, but I gotta clean it. I don't like to clean it either. Right now I put the plastic. Somehow you need this, some like for the design. You wanna a little bit, you know, wrinkle outside a little bit. That's why I make like this for fun. Let's see, I can do. You guys see it. Okay. I want to wrinkle a little bit. Now it's not done yet, but this right now in the process. I wait for a little while, and then I make a good cement right here. Sign it on the top, and then I design something that I want to do. Okay. You can see this. I'm go back in the beginning. Teach along like about 15 and a half to 16. You can see it. All right. Here you go. Very wide. Okay. This one is about 12. Right here. Okay. We'll stack dumb cement on it, and you follow me up. And you can see I want to dump cement here. By myself, I try to do the back. Right now, I got to wait for a little, and then I will use the root cement on the top, and I may use some rock, you know, some design rock, and put them on. Okay. Something now I don't think anything that right now is cement ready to be put on. You know. Okay. Rock inside here. This one is called cheap. Maple, cheap maple. Okay, we'll put them on for make it strong. Okay, a little bit heavy, but make it strong. Maybe put something around them too. You can see it. All right, see some design here left over from my fish tank. So when I clean it, I can see it. All right. Yeah, we're gonna put cement on. Okay, guys. You can see I also put the maple on it. Maple all around. I don't want to put in the center. The maple is strong to be keep it in the winter time. They don't crack. Like you can put the maple on it, whatever. You see, I dip it down the maple. You can see the maple here, but I don't put in the center. I will design the center. Okay. Look a little bit fun, guy, but I try to do this for fun. You can see all this. I'm gonna put them in. Okay. Finally, you can see I put a little, you know, design around it, like this rock, some stuff like that, or a ball like this. You can see, and all this around it. Okay. And I put a cement on the center. Really cement. Okay. Cement like this. Okay. And why? It's going to be stamped the Mickey Mouse on the top. Okay, here, 3 of them. You can see all that, right? We're going to put a stamp, see what happened, okay? And after that, we remove and put another one to another cement. And maybe they come out good. I never tried it yet, but I'm doing it now, okay? Mickey Mouse, I make this stamp for a long time ago. I stamped this with the pen around my, you know, garage. This Mickey Mouse I make it. For fun. You can see it. Here's a Mickey Mouse I stamp them on. I stamped many, but I only got one good one. So that means the cement is not concentrated yet. You gotta wait for a little bit to dry, a little bit, not really hard. Could be about half an hour to an hour, and then you can stamp them on Mickey Mouse or design around. Okay, guys, see that? If you in hurry, you can push. It's like a matte one, but I think it's still good. You put a little bit dry cement on it, right on the top, and then you will see better result when you stand long. I'm gonna try to do that right now. I put cement on it, and then I gotta see the Mickey Mouse. Okay, guys? Hello, guys. Now it could be about 8, 9 o'clock. I wait for, like the cement at least about an hour to 2 hours to be dry, so I'm able to get the Mickey Mouse. This is another one right here. You can see it very completely. And one more here, a little dim, but it's okay. It's gonna be alright tomorrow. Okay, guys. Tomorrow we're gonna be open. We'll let it dry. We remark them again, and that's gonna be okay. You see, the hole right here. That means I'm put a mark on here when the stem on. So that's why it's coming up like that. Okay. All right, thank you, guys. Tomorrow I'm gonna open it, but first thing I want to thank you guys. If you have to see, you like this video, you can, subscribe to me. This is cement craft by me, by Harry. You like it? It's not hard. Here I'm gonna show you again. My stem, it look like that. Okay. It's okay. And thank you. Bye bye. This one from yesterday, you can see it. Alright. Until now, you gotta make them a little bit, deep with the Mickey Mouse. We want to remark it. That's the way you can see it. Okay. So far, here guys, this is a Mickey Mouse stamp. And all this stuff I scrape out. It's almost done, but I scrape it out. This one you can see I don't need a lot of stuff. So you know how to mix the cement, and you also know how to mix and dump in here. Now I scrape it out, but I'm not gonna do anything else yet until a couple of days. 1 day, 2 days, they won't dry up. You're able to see the day. I scrape it out too. See that guy? Okay. Oh, about done, but I gotta keep them at least about 1 day to 2 days. And this brush clean all this stuff. You can see it. Okay. I scrape it out whatever I can. I like this one the most. See? I got total 5 of them. This one, I like keep a cement, very good cement. That's why I don't want to touch anything else. You can see that do by myself right now, but I don't scrape it out. I don't scrape it out anything with the Mickey Mouse face, just let nature look better. This one I also, make it deep a little bit. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and also 5. Also Mickey Mouse stamp and 2. Okay guys? Maybe not final. I'm gonna open when I release all this cap out and then you see what happened. Okay, right now it's just temporary done. Alright, thank you guys. Okay, you can see it finally has this one. I don't really like it, but it's okay. It looks not bad. You can keep a little longer and then getting better with the way you do. Okay? Alright, thank you very much guys. If you like this video, I share, you might subscribe. Thank you. If you like this video, you might subscribe for me. Thanks, Harry.